Okay, so we have to use the formula P equals 4s, and we have to come up with an expression for the perimeter of each square. Okay, so that's important. So let's try that out. So we use the formula perimeter equals 4 times s, which is the length of the side. So let's plug in what we know. We don't know the perimeter. We know we have to use 4 because there's 4 sides, and we're multiplying that by the length of the sides. We know what one of the side is, which means we know what all of them are because it's a square. So it's 4 times 2y. Cool. So let's multiply 4 by the term 2y. So we end up with perimeter equaling 4 times 2y, which is, if we've got 4 2y's, we know we're going to end up with 8y. And that's centimeters. So that's our final expression. This one over here looks a bit more complicated, but it isn't really. We start off with perimeter, right, equals 4s. That's the formula we're using. And then we just rewrite the equation, plugging in the values we know. So we don't know that yet. We do know it has to be multiplied, whatever the side is, has to be multiplied by 4. And the side in this case is 2y plus 4. Okay, so let's check it out. We go perimeter equals, so 4, we have to multiply 4 by each of the terms inside. So there's one term, there's another term. So 4 times 2y gives us 8y, and 4 times plus 4 is plus 16. It is centimeters, and that is the final expression for the perimeter. This one over here is very similar to the previous one. So we'll start with our formula, and then we just rewrite the formula, plugging in what we know. So we do know that we have to multiply 4 by whatever one of the sides is, and the sides in this case we know are all 2y minus 1 in length, and this means that we have 2 terms inside the brackets. There we go, there they are. And so we say, right, 4 times 2y, what is 4 times 2y? Is 8y. And 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. So the final units of measurement, the final expression is P equals 8y minus 4 meters. And that is the perimeter.